friends, my name is Nambo. Some call me Nambo Glow, and today with Iconic London, we're going to show you a little bit of our series, the Glow Down. And you know what I've noticed? A lot of people are like all glowy and fabulous on the face, but we forget something very important, the neck and the décolletage. So you can't glow wrong with these illuminating drops. These are a definite dewy dumpling dolphin skin staple. I'm going to do a little here. And look at how that gives my skin that beautiful sheen and luminosity. Ooh, it's like a little dumpling dolphin. And I'm gonna give my little collarbone a pop here, pop there. I'm gonna go right on my shoulder. Also, that beautiful shine there. Then I'm gonna kind of like blend in. Ooh, look at that pop. See? That illumination. My chest is highlighted, but this is the best part. Dewy, moist, delicious, bronzy, all in one spray. Oh my god, look at my bate and the glow on the face. Wow.